Are you getting downloading errors on Netflix when trying to save movies or shows on your iPhone? This usually happens because of storage limits, app bugs, or account restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve these problems. Solution 1. Check download devices. This is the most common download problem where you have multiple download devices. To fix it, open the Netflix app, go to your profile, then tap My Netflix at the bottom, tap the three lines in the top right corner, now tap Account. Scroll down until you find Mobile Download Devices. Tap on it. Now you may see more than one account on the Download Devices panel. If your plan only allows downloads on one device, you need to remove the extra download device. Tap Remove Device if you find the option. Now restart Netflix from scratch. Solution 2. Check your storage. Downloading will fail if you don't have enough space. Go to Settings, then go to General, tap iPhone Storage, check how much free space you have. If it's low, delete some unused apps, photos, or old downloads. Once you are done, go back to Netflix and try again. Solution 3. Update or reinstall Netflix. Open the App Store, search Netflix. If an update is available, install it. If not, delete the app. You can do that by going to your app gallery. Press and hold the Netflix app icon. Tap Remove App, and then tap Delete App and confirm your choice. Now reinstall it from the App Store. After reinstalling, sign in and try downloading again. And that's it. With these three solutions, you should be able to fix most of the Netflix downloading errors on your iPhone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Netflix fixes. See you next time.